Hey, what is going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today is the official first day of CES 2024. Super excited to see what CES has for us today. I'm sure they got lots of stuff to take a look at, but today I'm actually going to be vlogging my whole CES experience on the Canon Powershot V10 vlogging camera. Very small, very compact. Huge shout out to Canon for sending this out for us to use here so I can be able to vlog my experience. But I do want to take a quick moment just to give a huge good morning to my family, my children. I know they're watching this. I told them I would give them a huge shout out in my vlog video. So good morning, you guys. Daddy loves you. Daddy misses you guys. I will see you guys really soon. But really excited here at the first day of CES, and I gotta give a big shout out to my luggage sponsor, Level 8. They actually sent out a really nice high quality suitcase for me to be able to use to bring out my belongings, my clothes, tech and stuff like that. Super high quality suitcase, very durable. One of my favorite features of that suitcase is that it has a built-in lock to it, so I can be able to keep all of my stuff safe. Has a nice wide handle to it. So very nice suitcase, tons of compartments. And then also they sent me this backpack to use as well. Tons of compartments on this backpack as well, keeping all my tech safe here on my back. It's actually very comfortable as well. Used it all day yesterday. Very comfortable backpack to wear if you do find yourself interested in any of their luggage or any of their bags. I'll make sure I have a link down in the description below so you can check some out for yourself. But I'm ready to go out to the show floor and see what CES has to offer. Currently standing right here by the famous CES sign right there in the back. But I will be using the internal mics on this vlogging camera as well. So throughout the video, just let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below what you think about overall video quality. I'm recording at 4K 30 and overall sound quality as well. But let's go and get this day started. Alright, so first off, naturally, I gotta stop by the booth of my good friends over here at TCL, and as always, I mean, they are doing it big. They have a whole gaming section, the whole TV section, they even have an NFL section over there, a mobile section, tablets. I mean, this booth right here is huge. It just looks super cool. So I'm gonna walk over here to the TVs first. Whoa, look at this. Okay, let me get a wide shot of this right here. Check this out. So these are their new TCL QD mini LED TVs. And look at this, it just looks like a huge waterfall. I mean, this thing is big. Let's see. My head goes up to about right here, so you can see how much taller this is than me. Looking like a real waterfall, really cool. And then check this out, there's just so many people here, but this is TCL's 163-inch micro LED TV. This thing is massive, and it looks so good here in person. Not really sure how well the camera is picking it up, but look at this. Absolutely amazing. I mean, it is crazy. It has all, I mean, this booth has all the TV goodness you can want in one single booth alone. As you can see, a bunch of people here checking out this booth. But yeah, this is my my experience here. Maybe we'll see some familiar faces. Not really sure yet who we're gonna run into. I mean, there's a possibility we can run into anybody here at CES. Not just, you know, content creators that we all know, but famous people as well. Sometimes they got famous people just walking around these booths. But very cool here at the TCL booth so far. I saw some gaming monitors over here that I want to check out, so let's go check those out really quick. Oh man, look at this gaming setup that they have right here. Bunch of curved monitors. We got 3 over here, 3 over here, and then just this whole gaming setup right here in the back. Super cool. Let me go over here to the front. Look at this. These monitors actually look really I'm actually curious. I've never tried out any of TCL's gaming monitors. This is a 34-inch TCL QD mini LED high-end professional monitor, so I might have to hit them up and see if I can possibly review one of these here on the channel. But you know, while we are on the topic of gaming here, let me take this quick moment to give a big thanks and shout out to one of the big sponsors of my CES trip here, D-Brand. If you're not sure who D-Brand is, I mean, what are you doing? They make skins, they make cases for not only smartphones, but you can also get custom skins for your gaming console as well. So if you happen to pick up one of TCL's new TVs or one of these new gaming monitors right here, you can take your gaming setup to another level by customizing your gaming console as well. You got custom plates for the PS5, you got custom skins for your Xbox, your Nintendo Switch, and they got tons and tons to choose from on their website, whether you're, you know, picking out plates for the PS5 or picking out skins for your Xbox. I mean, tons to choose from there, and tons of skins to choose from for your Nintendo Switch as well. And then, like I said earlier, if you have a smartphone, you can customize your smartphone as well with the tons of skins they have to choose from. You can pick up one of their grip cases, which is going to provide tons of protection for your smartphone. I mean, I've done plenty of drop tests with that case. The phones always come out looking like new. So I will leave their link down in the description below and the pinned comment as well, so you can check them out. That way you can customize your smartphone, keep it protected, and also customize your gaming consoles as well, and take that gaming setup to the next level. Look at this, they kind of got like a football field setup right here. And of course TCL is a sponsor of the NFL, and they're actually over here playing the new Madden game on this big screen right here. Look at this, look how cool this is. Got little footballs right there. A very cool NFL setup that they have going on here. Look at this line just to get into Samsung. It's like, I mean, the line goes, I mean, it's going all the way around their setup here. Look, we got to go through here, all the way down there, come back up. There's a little zigzag right here, and I'm not really sure I want to get in this line right now. I don't know. All right, so I ended up waiting in that huge line to get in here to the Samsung booth, because I mean, you cannot come to CES and not visit the Samsung booth. You never know what they might have, you never know who you might see, but I made it in here. As you can see, look at this. They actually got a really cool setup here this year. I know last year, honestly, the Samsung booth was just a little bit boring last year, but so far right now it's looking pretty good, so let's go see what they got. Ooh, okay, so this section caught my attention right away. Look at this whole gaming setup that they have here. Looks like they're actually having a little contest here. Look at that. That is, oh, they're actually playing on the Galaxy S23 Ultras, and it's showing up on the big screen there. Hold on, let me get over here. Look at this. It's a whole competition they're having here. Woo! Got their gaming monitors over here on this side. Got some TV over here on this side. A tablet, their phone, a remote controller as well. Look at this. Looks like we got a nice, cool little camp. What is this? Like a camping setup here? Oh yeah, with their projector right there. All right. Pretty cool setup they got here. Pretty cool setup. Let's keep going. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind having a gaming room set up exactly like this. Look, they got a little gaming section right there. It looks like it's a 3D. Let me see. So I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but it looks like it's a 3D monitor. That's crazy looking. I'm sure you have to sit right in front of it to really get the full effect, but actually looks really cool. But yeah, we got the whole gaming setup here. So pretty cool booth that Samsung has set up here. I mean, we got the smart things section, we got the home experience section, we have the TV section, we even have a Bally back there, which is a little, I don't know what this, it's like a little robot that they have, which I don't know if they're selling it yet or not. I know they announced it, I believe last year or the year before that too. I'm not even sure when it's gonna come out, but it's a pretty cool little robot thing with the camera and just rolls around your house. But I think the coolest part of this whole setup here from Samsung has to be that gaming area. At least for me, that was my favorite part of their whole booth here. All right, I had to come back over here. I showed a little bit of this in my B-roll, but this whole booth right here is called Wonderland. And almost feels like you're in a wonderland. And this is almost like that sphere that they have here in Las Vegas, but like a little mini one. Look at how cool this is. It's like making emoji faces, but they've been putting like a bunch of different stuff up on this little sphere that they have right here. Look at that. Got a sign way back there that says Wonderland. They got a rainbow tube, happy rewards, sweet island. Let's go this way, let's go this way. This is crazy, fantastic island. They have a train adventure as well. Look at this, so they actually have a train that goes in to there. Let me see if I can get a close-up in there. So the train actually goes into this thing right here and just takes you on this whole experience. This is a whole screen in this tunnel right here, and it's just super, super cool. Okay, so we found the LG booth, and all I gotta say is, whoa. So check out their TV setup that they have right here. These are their world's first 4K wireless transparent TVs, but look at this setup. They got them like moving back and forth. And look at this cool presentation that they have right here. And I wasn't expecting a transparent TV to look this good. They actually look really good. Look at that. Look at this experience that they're giving us right here. Woo. We're getting the whole tunnel experience here. Look at this. Okay, so LG definitely did it big this year. I mean, they have a huge setup here, definitely very cool. But I gotta say, my two favorite things, well, my first top favorite thing in this booth has to be that tunnel that they have back there. Just giving us an awesome experience with the TV, the curved TVs all the way around us in this long tunnel, making us feel like we are in the content that is being shown. So very cool experience. And then the next thing has to be those transparent TVs, just that whole experience that they gave us, the presentation. Very, very cool. Everything else here is pretty cool as well, but I gotta say, those have to be my two favorite things here in the LG booth. But I'm gonna keep exploring. I gotta look for some buddies of mine. I have not ran into anybody. I don't know where anybody is, so let's see if we can find some people. Hey, look who it is! Look who it is! You guys, is it okay if I put you in the vlog? Yeah. It's alright, it's too late. You're already in it, you're already in it. So we got the professional videographer right here, and then we got, you wanna shout yourself out? Gadget We got the one and only how-to man in there trying out the glasses. What's up? So it's always a fun time running into these guys right here at CES. We also got Greggles TV right here. Greggles.
Thank you so much. I'm so proud to be on here. He's like a big fan of Josh's.
Oh yeah. So we got Latrell over here.
What's up?
What up? What up? What up? I already said what's up to you.
Yeah, you did.
But I'm exhausted. I've been walking around the show floor all day long, and my back is killing me. I'm exhausted. I think we're gonna head out now, go back to the room. Then we got something special tonight with TCL. I might bring you guys along. I don't know. We'll see. You'll see right now. All right, guys. So we made it into the night here at the TCL event, which is actually here at the Raider Stadium, which I have never been to. They actually got a really cool setup all throughout this, I don't know what you call it. It's like a VIP space out here. But let me walk outside so you can actually see the stadium here. Look at this. I mean, obviously they don't have it set up or anything like that, but I have never been here before. And this is just super, super cool. And then they're hooking it up with all this food right here. More food. We got some popcorn. Got more food over there. I don't know what this is. Those are like waffles. Oh, chicken and waffles. Look at that. We got little sliders there. Look like little hot dogs. I don't know what that is. I think is that shrimp? It might be shrimp and chips. Look at that. More food over here. Got some more chips. Got some more food here from TCL. Man, TCL is hooking it up tonight. We got a stage back there with the DJ. They're just hooking it up. We got more food over here. big TCL screen over here. TCL is really doing it big here for us tonight for all of us creators, but not just, content creators, but they got a lot of their employees here and stuff like that, and they're really hooking it up tonight.
Enough. I'm gonna say it all throughout the show. I've been saying it since the first day I stepped on stage. I'm gonna say it to the last day I stepped off stage. It is truly an honor and a pleasure to be out here in front of y'all tonight, and I'm gonna say that again. Shout out to all my St. Louis family one time. I wanna thank TCL and all the Los Angeles for having your boy out here with us.
Woo! So that was definitely a surprise. Huge shout out to TCL for showing all of us a good time tonight. I mean, they definitely went out this year, and we were at the Raiders Stadium. That was my first time ever there at that football stadium, so it was very cool, and they had a really cool setup as well. But I'm ready to end my day. I am exhausted. It has been a super long day. I'm ready to shower, change, go to sleep. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the overall first day of CES? I did show as much as I could. Of course, there's just so much more to look at. It's just impossible to see it all in one day. But I will be vlogging again tomorrow to show you guys day 2 of CES. I will be at the Venetian tomorrow, but definitely got tons of content coming that I had recorded today, different separate videos. I'm not talking about the vlog, but separate videos. But y'all let me know what you think. And of course, this video was all about the Canon Powershot V10 vlogging camera. Let me know what y'all think about the overall quality. I mean, I got you guys some good lighting, some bad lighting, dim lighting, bright lighting, a lot of movement as well. So let me know what you think about the overall video quality and the sound quality as well. But thank you all so very much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.